Hello people, we are back again and today we are meeting Dr. Nooruz Zaman and he is the head of Shankara College of Optometry, Ludhiana, and we are in Bangalore today. And sir has been practicing contact lenses for the last 10 years and he is doing a lot of specialty contact lens work in the field of scleral lenses, orthopectology. So first of all, welcome sir, and do give us the perspective of contact lenses scenario in India. India में contact lenses क्या जब नाम आता है तो आज भी लोग बहुत apprehensive रहते हैं कि contact lenses लगाएं या नहीं लगाएं, whether it is good for eyes or not. So sir, what is your point of view for the audience?
See, contact lens is one of the best medium to correct the vision. विजन के अलावा भी काफी कुछ है. अगर कंपेयर करें स्पेक्टिकल से, इसकी पेरिफेरल फील्ड काफी अच्छी होती है. And lot of people are using. There are good quality of contact lens. The material nowadays has improved a lot. So जो पहले कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स होती थी, आज के डेट्स में जो कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज है, they are far better, and a lot of multinational companies has come up with the better quality of the lens material. So I think this is one of the best way to correct the vision, and one should go ahead. I don't see any reasons not to or have any hesitation while wearing contact lenses.